Today's my birthday. And I just got this delivered from Amazon. It is Farm Fresh Flowers. And so I'll put the link below where it's ordered from on Amazon, but that is that. So I'm gonna get this opened. This isn't my first time getting flowers shipped by Amazon. This is my second one. And the first ones were orchids and red roses, and the orchids lasted for like 3 weeks. It was really impressive. But it turned out really great, and even the roses lasted a long time as well. So it comes in this box. This is what it looks like. Just take it out from the side here. I wonder what kind of flowers they are. I wonder. Oh, so it comes with a card. Fresh flowers, care instructions. It's zip tied inside there. So let's clip off this zip tie. So there is a bubble wrap around the vase. Take the vase out. What the vase looks like. And there are the flowers. They're bunched up really tight. So let's see what they look like when we take them out. The flowers themselves seem to be keeping wet in this pouch down here. I don't know if this feels like plastic. Oh, it's like a cotton inside that must absorb the water. Okay, it looks like a diaper. So it's a cotton, and it's just very absorbent, or cotton of some type, and it's wet, and I guess that's what keeps the flowers hydrated. So if we read our flower care instructions, it says here, flowers are cut fresh from the farm and delivered directly to you. On their journey, they get very thirsty. Upon receipt of your fresh flowers, please do the following. Add cold water and the flower food packet provided to a clean vase. Cut the stems of the flowers at least 1 inch with sharp and clean shears. Trim excess foliage off of the stems. You do not want any leaves below the water line, as this may cause bacteria in the water. Place flowers in the vase and enjoy their beauty. All right, I got it cleaned up, and here's my final product. I love the color of the roses, they're so pretty. I'm gonna guess these flowers are gonna perk up a little after they've been in water. I'll try to give you an update, see what they look like.
3 hours later.
Update, they opened up great.